OPPS Building Company. Each building technology has its own advantages and disadvantages, which somehow affect the way of their usage. The main task for today is to increase the service life and reliability of utilities, reduce shrinkage, avoid the cracking and deformation of the walls, reduce water absorption, increase resistance to weathering and thermal insulating properties, and thus obtain a high ecological compatibility, safety, low cost, and complexity of installation. In the course of many years of research in Kyrgyzstan, a unique technology was created which resulted in the ability to optimize all the previously mentioned aspects. Lightweight panel of increased seismic stability, or OPPS, is the ability to quickly build, as the majority of the construction process is carried out in the manufacturing workshops and through the use of special equipment and production lines for the production of the panels. Technological system combines two major construction techniques common in Kyrgyzstan and in other countries. They are frame monolithic technology and the construction technology of buildings of concrete slabs. Frame panel system can significantly reduce the construction and installation works and thus save 20 to 30% of the estimated cost of the erected building. But the most basic advantages is an earthquake resistant and energy safeness. The constructive features of OPPS panels. The panel is laid with three types of frames. External, galvanized clamps, section welded and riveted with joints. Second, the mesh frame of the wire of 2/10 and 3/10 of a millimeter. Reinforcing cage with anchored and threaded or welded clamping systems around the perimeter of the panel. All three frame and anchoring clamps are bound into one single panel. The main feature of the technological scheme is that in the presence of reinforcement cage columns, all wall panels of one floor is mounted and settled and completed with window and door blocks on the foundation of the building. After the installation of the panels, the transom reinforcement cages and frame monolithic of intrafloor overlapping are mounted with the installation of the formwork. After pouring the concrete, columns and transom and monolith of intrafloor overlapping basic construction and installation work on one floor is completed. After the construction of the last floor, the building is almost ready for 90%. Today, the building company OPPS, within the framework of the project Affordable Social Houses, has started construction of a group of apartment buildings in the Array Kokjar with clinics and kindergartens with a total area of more than 30,000 square meters. The benefits of the project are earthquake-resistant, energy-saving homes, convenient systems of purchase of housing, and accessibility to all strata of the population.